Should be live. Yeah, I think everything is working. Just check. All right. Seems to be working. Hello everyone. So yeah, let's get started with the dollar index. See what happened last week. See if we can get some prediction for what's going on next week. Oh, interesting! It actually turned bearish. All right, that's gonna shake things up. All right, let's do weekly turned bullish. No, weekly was already bullish. Weekly high is here. Weekly new higher low is here. All right. Damn. Still has some drawings from when I used to trade with what's it called? Dark setting. Okay. Let's see if the areas of interest are actually still solid. Let's look on the weekly. That's right. This area seems strong on the weekly. So this one stays for sure. This one might be on the daily, I'm not sure. Let's just check it. Oh, damn, this is way back. All right. Let's see if there's like an area of interest nearby where it might bounce off from. Might just rebound from the one that I already drew up earlier. Could make it a little bit bigger. Like this. Potentially going like this. So let's just confirm the weekly is bullish, daily is bearish, since this is a new lower low and this is a new lower high. And what is the 4 hour? 4 hours probably bearish as well. Yeah, it's bearish. lower high. It is for now, but we don't know if it's a low yet, but just place it there just in case. Alright. So we have 2 time frames bearish, which means we would look for like a new lower high to be created before it pushes to a new lower low. So a test of this area of interest would actually be good, but would it make the 4-hour bullish? As long as it's under here, it's not bullish yet. So I'll set an alarm for now, just a little below. What's this? Why is it blue? Why can't I put an alarm? Let's just refresh, shall we? Alright. So expectations. I'm probably gonna start doing this as well. Start of week. Bullish wick on the weekly. Maybe read that. All right. This is what we think of the dollar. So because it did slow down in momentum, like the last 2 days, Thursday and Friday weren't that strong. It's also a scenario where it just instantly pushes to this area of interest and then goes up. But now 2 time frames are bearish. In my opinion, there's a pretty big chance that it will actually go down some more. Also, this weekly just completely engulfed the other one, so the last one. So, all right. Saw some pairs other people were talking about. Let's see if GBP AUD. Let's see if I agree with it. Where is it? He's looking for a sell. Once the 4-hour has a shift of structure. Okay. Let's see if he's correct. I think he is. About the weekly, he's correct. If you consider this a high, and I think you do, then this became the low. Yeah. Yeah, it's bearish. If there's anyone who wants to like know why, it's pretty easy. It broke under this higher low, because this one was new higher, this became the higher low, and then it broke under, and it closed under, so making this bearish. So let's just draw up the lines. Weekly lower high, and weekly lower low. Alright, see about the daily, it's probably bearish as well. I think I'm just gonna post a quick little TikTok, see if we can draw some people in. Yo, what's up? I'm doing some analysis right now to see what's gonna likely happen next week in the Forex market. So if you wanna be up to date and or maybe do well, this one was bad. Let's do another one, huh? Yo, what's up, everyone? I'm doing a live stream. What the fuck is going on with me? Yo, what's up, everyone? Right now I'm doing a live stream where I'm just doing some analysis on a few pairs where I think next week it will what will happen. So if you want to take advantage of that or maybe just chill, come to the live stream. I should mention that it's on YouTube, chat. Yo, what's up, everyone? Right now I'm live on YouTube on Twisted Forex, just doing some analysis on a few pairs to predict where the market is going next week. If you're interested in Forex, come say hi and let's look at the charts together. All right. Shut up. Nee. Just adding some hashtags. One sec. One more hashtag. Alright, that's good. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make it a long stream, but it would be nice to get some people in and just nice little conversation. Maybe get some nice setups for next week going together. Where are my drafts? There. Alright, fuck it. Alright. Bro, let's just get these. Almost done. Alright. Made a little tweet. So let's see where the daily is at. Let's just go from here and go through it together. Alright. It went here. I think this is a new higher low. As soon as it broke above making this new higher high and this new higher low, and as soon as it broke under again, which it did right here, turning the daily bearish again and making, I think, this the new sorry, lower high, not higher low, lower high. Might need to change the colors of these because like might be better. I do like them like all being visible, but is this like okay on the white background? I guess green looks okay. Purple looks okay. And maybe blue, but purple and blue look very similar. So maybe this color. Alright. I need to like get this fixed, but don't really feel like doing it now. But do it like this, and then the daily will make green. Okay, and then we make 4 hour. We still need to draw it up, but let's just 4 hour. We make right. All right. 4 hour. Oh, it completely blocks off the color of the daily. Oh well. Okay. I'm guessing you're gonna keep that issue, so. Wait. Okay, let's do the 4 hour. Turn bearish here, but it did turn bullish again. Yeah, it's bullish again. Higher high. And this will be the higher low. So what that guy was talking about was it becoming like, let's just first make sure that we actually note everything. So weekly is bearish, daily is bearish, 4 hour is bullish. This seems nice. This could indeed be like a nice trade, but are we at like an area of interest? Let's see. 2 touches here, another touch. Yeah, I think this is an area of interest. This for sure is an area of interest. A lot of touches. Alright, so that's nice. I'm gonna put this pair like way more up because I'm interested in this one. Very interested. So what he was talking about is a shift of structure on the 4 hour, meaning the 4 hour has to close under, retest this area, and then go further down, which I'm very much thinking might happen as well. The last daily wasn't super, the last 2 daily candles have been not that super bullish, like not that strong. So it is above the, it's only the EMAs are annoying right now, but yeah, this is nice. I'll definitely keep my eye on this one. This could be a huge trade. The weekly did engulf though, but surely the weekly will like try to go under again, but you never know. Let's indeed wait for the 4 hour shift of structure. Nicely spotted from him. So I'm gonna put an alarm like under here, called, where's my alarm? Alright, alarm name. Shift structure 4 hour. It's also around psychological level. Doesn't get much better than this, to be honest. Might actually, like, I like taking risks, so sometimes if it's fighting here still, right? For me, this is also like, I mean, I don't know, it's a way lower chance of succeeding, but you do instantly have like a 9 risk to reward instead of a 3. And like, I would argue, how big is the chance? Like, if you do this 3 times, surely one of them will like result in this, right? That's what I would say. But like, if it's already in the beginning of the week instantly like showing signs of slowing down, which it's already was/is, I would be tempted to just jump in and place my stop loss above, but that's not a secure way to trade. So Let's see what he also mentioned, because this one was really nice. So maybe he got some other good ideas. Eurocat actually. Okay, let's see. Retest of head and shoulders on the 4-hour time frame. Clearly this didn't happen what I wanted it to. Stay hydrated. Alright. Let's see what's up. Weekly did turn bearish before. Like it closed under this. Yeah, okay. Weekly is bearish. Okay. I'm not sure if I want to keep those lines, but for now it's nice. And also when I'm gonna make like a video out of this, it's also good to have like the lines already there to explain it easier. And for me as well, so I can just like keep track of it better. Okay, so let's note. So tired today. Weekly is bearish. I'm happy the market isn't open, because being tired when the market is open is not good. Oh, daily is bearish clearly as well. Okay. Daily lower low, and that would make the 4-hour probably bullish. Sorry, I got distracted again. Oh, I just saw a video I really want to see later on. Yeah, I just gained a follower on TikTok. It's the same guy that like saved my other video. It's nice. Thank you for that. Damn, I just gained a subscriber. Thank you. I was just checking my like I'm addicted to checking my my YouTube for some reason. But if you're in this live, thank you so much. Much appreciated. Keeps me motivated to keep going. Almost at 10 subscribers. That's crazy. I didn't think I would reach it this fast. Well, I'm not yet there, so I haven't reached it yet, but I didn't think it would be this close already. Okay, let's look at the 4 hour. Oh, and we can note daily is bearish as well. Yeah, the 4 hour is bullish. Well, actually, I'm not sure. It's actually maybe still bearish. Actually, one sec. Oh, something important. All right, actually might be still bearish. Because I think this is just one entire move. Let's look at the line chart, but it's giving like some lows, but not really. Not really. Yeah. I think this is, you can't really consider this a low. Can't really consider this like, or lower high, let's say. This either. Maybe this though. I think this you could consider as a new lower high, making it. This one is hard. Like I'm not 100% positive on if this like the last lower high and this lower low, or that this is the lower high, because then it broke above, making it bullish. I think that's the case. I think this, you could consider this, but I think some people won't. So how do I get rid of this right now? Okay. All right. Okay, let's go from the assumption that this is the lower high before, meaning it broke, so it's bullish now. Let's just go from that assumption, because I think that's what most people will base it up on. So that's what the market will respond from, I think. For our higher high. Let me know where you guys are in your trading journey, and what type of trading you do and stuff. I'm very interested to hear about your guys' style and everything and results. And all right, so for our is bullish. Meaning 2 time frames are bearish, so we're looking for sells. I think it will be like a pretty similar trade to this one. Let's open it on the other one. Pretty similar to this one, where we will be looking for a shift of structure on the 4 hour, making all time frames bearish again, and then a retest of the area of interest. I think this one is pretty similar, but yeah, let's just double check the area of interest if I did draw it up good before. 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches, multiple, but yeah, there's definitely an area of interest. So yeah, the plan here would be, like, I expected it to do this last week, but it didn't, so that was kind of annoying, but oh well. I think this would be like the ideal trade. this would be ideal, but like these trades, all of them are pretty, well, the last two I looked at are pretty tempting to jump in early, because like then what I just shown is, let's say I would jump in right here, right? Like here. Like you instantly got like a 6.97 risk to reward instead of the 3 risk to reward. But your win rate will be significantly higher on this one. And I've been going for like the Hail Mary trades, like the 7-ish risk to reward ratio sort of trades, even 10 plus sometimes. But obviously they're like a little bit harder to catch, because you can't really do it on like a really confirmation, like a really solid confirmation, because then you'll already be like too late for that to get such a high reward most of the time, at least risk to reward wise. But let's see how the like it could go down already from here, but like these, you could consider this like a triple top if it's like this fairly close to each other, right? This one is a little bit higher, but you could consider this if it goes down here, which it already started to look like this would actually already be like pretty solid entry in my opinion, but really small stop loss, and then you can just ride the trade out from there. But this is a trade that I would do like very often, but I think I need to stop doing this on my on like my funded accounts and start doing this more on like the challenge accounts, or like maybe smaller sized on funded accounts, because it's like a lot higher risk here. But definitely a solid trade. Yeah. All right. He showed us 2 good trades. Let's see if the third one is also. He's also saying like retest of the head and shoulder. So he would say this become like a head and shoulder. Yeah, I can see that. Yeah. All right. Okay. Nice. I think I got another like on my FTMO video. That's amazing. It's amazing. Sorry, I'm just addicted to watching like the stats on YouTube for some reason. Don't know if everyone has that, but I do. I like numbers. Yeah, I should be focused on making good content now, and not not like what my content already did. Yeah, so bad on me. Let's continue. Another scenario would be that it would retest this structure and then go down, but then the daily would maybe be bullish if it isn't a wick. So I'll put an alarm here just in case. it's near around psychological level as well, so like plus the daily EMA. So I wouldn't be surprised if it actually like shut up here and then wicked, but I definitely need to pay a close eye on this one. Yeah, I like this trade. I like this trade. All right, on to the next. USD CAD. I think USD CAD is like the one where I had a lot of unlucky trades with. Yeah, look at this. Like I predicted to go to upside. I got stopped out a few times, and then it like made the massive move. But I'm still not sure like what I should have done different. Like it opened really weird, and then it did give like some form of rejection after trying to go bearish. It engulfed, and then there was another massive engulfing candlestick on the area of interest. So here I should have entered. It was 8 o'clock in the morning, but it also gave like a retest. If I was watching this, I would have entered it. When was it? Thursday, and then there was Monday. Yeah. Oh wait. Nice. Nice to see like 2 new people in the Discord as well. All right. Oh yeah, this was my frustration note. Bigger stop losses and take demand zones into consideration, because that's what kind of yeah, there was a massive Massive demand zone where I should have paid attention to. Let's keep that note there just to remind myself. Bro, it's way too far away. Let's put this thing there to just verify if there are any touches here as well. Two, three. Yeah, I think this, you could consider this an area of interest. Not super strong, but it's okay. However, it is like a clear rejection, so I'm not really sure if it will like be heading to the upside again. It could fail this week, to be honest, but all right, let's do our quick little I think you can consider this a low. So okay. Oh, can I just all right. Okay. Now I can put on the streamer modus again. All right. Okay, let's get back to this. Sorry for all the interruptions if someone is watching. Weekly I'm gonna make like a shorter video out of this anyway, like my predictions for next week. So if this, like, if you want like a shorter version of this, I'll post it like later on, like tomorrow probably. Weekly higher low. Okay, so weekly is bullish. Okay. This is the daily higher low. Daily is also bullish. Let's see what the 4 hour is. The 4 hour is still bullish. Damn, this candlestick is crazy. Oh, sorry. 4 hour higher low. Higher high. Okay, so everything is bullish. I would probably just buy here, to be honest. I would probably just buy here. Like it's a 5.0 risk to reward on a doji candlestick. But yeah. All these trades look so good. It will be hard to pick. Bro. Mm. People are tempting me with like this crypto trading, makes me wanna like jump into crypto trades. Where was that? Dit is een bullish 4-hour is bullish. Fuck. Daily is a bullish. 4-hour is bullish. All right. Alright, let's do a few more. To do a quick scan. Daily is bearish. Weekly is bearish. Wait, what? No, never mind. Weekly is still bullish. Weekly is still bullish. Daily is bearish. And the 4 hour is bullish. Alright. So we have 2 time frames bullish, but not really in sync right now. Just set an alarm as soon as the daily gets above here. Then we have like all time frames in sync again. And we can look for buys. That looks nice. Yeah. Yeah, alright. So let's just make a notation. Daily, weekly is bullish. Daily is bearish. 4 hour is bullish. Looking for daily to shift of structure. And then retest of area of interest. Alright. It's the pair we can keep our eyes on for the next week as well. Oh, that would be perfect with the daily EMA as well. That could be, this could be beautiful. Like this. So next daily is like this. Next day like this. Obviously with a wick or whatever. And then on Wednesday retest. Then on Thursday, Friday, it might be ready for a buy. That would be great. Let's see if that happens. Okay, I do like that pair as well. Problem is I'm starting to like too many pairs now. I have 4 pairs that I really like at the moment. So yeah, let's see if we can also find some pairs that are not interesting short term, so we can focus a little bit more. Okay, let's just start with the time frames. Yeah, weekly did turn. Weekly is bearish. Okay. All right. Daily is daily turned bullish, I think. Yeah, daily is bullish. Daily. Higher high, sorry. Let me know where you guys are in your trading journey, and like if you're already trading and what sort of pairs you're looking for and stuff. Would love to hear it. Higher low. Let's get rid of. Oh damn! It's actually. I did get this sale. Yeah, I did retest like this. I normally don't do trend lines, but I just saw this trend line, which was really like obvious. and I figured if I see it, a lot of people will see it. And as you can see, like not last week but the week before, it tested it like to the T, like perfectly, and then it went all the way down. But I was a little bit late on that trade, but I did make money on it. Like it was like here or something, I think. Yeah, I think here. Yeah, this was a crazy trade. Like I could have like ended, like if I was behind my computer, I would have like taken the trade straight up here after this doji, just place it above. Super tight stop loss, like 150 pips, like, or 15 pips, like nothing. Yeah, this is a really nice trade potentially, but I still got a nice little profit of risk reward. Like I had such a small stop loss, like 1.5 risk reward, the other one was 6, like even a smaller trade. It's nice. But yeah, it retested again, so I'm not really sure what I think about it. Yeah, what, like how that will affect the like the overall rest of the structure and stuff. But yeah, let's just look what the 4 hour is. 4 hour is just bullish right now. Luckily I don't like this pair that much, so like my other pairs are more interesting. 4 hour oh, let me change this. 4 hour higher high. I normally don't really have that much like fucking stuff on my screen, but I know I wanna make like an analysis video, and it's nice to have this already like prepared. Higher low, bottom, yes. Okay, so what do we have? We have the weekly was lower high, lower low. Weekly is bearish. Let's just note it. Daily is, wait, that daily is bearish. Four hours bullish. Yeah. Oh no, I didn't change it yet. This needs to be higher low. Daily is bullish. Okay, so we have two time frames. Lower time frames are bullish, but there's like this huge huge trend line here on the weekly time frame. So I'm not really sure how I feel about that. I had 3 viewers for a sec, which was my personal record at the moment, I think. That's good. Okay. So what should we look for here? Comes off super strong daily area of interest, like super strong. So I think it might actually just continue to the upside and then retest this maybe. All right, that's the trade I would go for. Like goes up a little, test this, and then goes to this area of interest. Okay, so that's where what I'm gonna put my alarm for. If this happens, I'm okay with entering the trade. Little trend line trade, which I don't really often do. Euro USD. Such annoying. Let's see what this is also saying. Technical say buy here, sell here. Buy here, so that's good. Okay. The daily still bearish. I think the 4 hour is bullish, but let's see. It's definitely bullish. Okay, so everything is bearish. 4 hours bullish. So maybe I should just, as a rule now, have as soon as like the 4 hour becomes bearish as well, then I'm interested. Maybe that should just be my standard rule, like only trading 3 time frames in sync. But like on my I don't know, let's call them series accounts. This would be perfect, like this, closing above, making it this the new high low, going under. This would be great. All right. Daily just became bearish, round area of interest. Weekly still bearish. No, right? No. Yeah, the weekly is bullish. Weekly is bullish. Daily became bearish. Which probably makes 4-hour bearish as well. Yeah. Okay, 4-hour bearish. This one I'm also down to just sell, but I don't like the weekly is bullish. Also the 50 EMA. Be a pair that, like, if this happens, it will be ready like in a while. Like this. Like this. Also potential head and shoulder. This would be great as well. Okay. Okay. Let's do a little FIP retracement. Not really lines up nicely. But Hated that, like the head and shoulders always takes up, like, it makes it so ugly, but I just keep it there for now. Alright, yeah. I think that's it for me. It's a little bit shorter stream, but I'm super tired. I need to get up early as well tomorrow, so I just want to chill a little bit and then yeah, have dinner, just watch something and go to bed. So tired. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and tomorrow hopefully I have some energy to make a video and go through the pairs that I analyzed. I think that should be very much doable. I've got like 5 pairs ready for next week, so maybe even 6. So yeah, I'm okay with that.